Here's a 1957 Chevy two-door hardtop that we finished doing a frame-off restoration on here at Dale's Auto Restoration. It's kind of a resto mod. Has a 350 motor, custom wheels, 350 transmission. The motor is a crate motor, GM crate motor. Custom wheels on it. Stock interior. We'll come up here to the motor, show you that. It's a 350 HO 330 horse motor. Car has power steering, power brakes. The frame has all been restored, sandblasted and powder coated, front suspension replaced, rear end rebuilt. All the chrome has been either re-chromed or replaced. All the stainless has been buffed on this car. Paint is base coat, clear coat paint, all ultra fine and buffed when finished. Show you the inside of the car here. Stock look to the inside of the car. All new upholstery, new carpet, new headliner. Steering column is an I Did It steering column. Keep watching on YouTube. We will be putting a lot more cars up that we have restored or customized here on YouTube. So thank you much.